Hey everyone! If you want to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set everything up step by step. Just follow along carefully and you'll have it connected in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure you have both Claude Desktop and Roblox Studio installed on your computer. Also, make sure you're signed in to both applications. First, open Roblox Studio and either create a new experience or open an existing project. Once your project is open, look at the top right corner and click on the AI Assistant icon. When the menu appears, click the three-dot icon, then select Manage MCP Servers. Now you'll see a section called Setup Instructions. Click the drop-down arrow to expand it, then find the JSON configuration file and click Copy. This will copy the configuration you'll need in the next step. Next, open Claude Code on your computer. In the top left corner, click the three horizontal lines, then go to File and choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, open the Developer section and click Edit Config. A configuration file will be highlighted. Right-click on it, choose Open With, and then select Notepad. Once the file opens, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select everything inside the file. Then press Ctrl-V to paste the JSON configuration you copied earlier from Roblox Studio. After that, click File, then Save to save the changes. Once it's saved, you can close Notepad. Now, close Claude Code completely. Then, go down to your System tray, right-click the Claude Code icon, and select Quit. Next, make sure Claude Desktop is running and turned on. After that, launch Claude Code again. When Claude Code opens, type Connect to Roblox Studio and send the message. If a permission window appears, simply click Always Allow. Now, wait a few seconds while Claude AI establishes the connection. Once it's finished, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that Claude is successfully connected to your current Roblox Studio project. And that's it! Your Claude AI is now connected to Roblox Studio and ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.